Sir, firstly, sir, I would like to say that it is a standard practice of State Election Commission to adopt the electoral rolls preparation by the Election Commission of India for assembly and parliamentary elections for the urban and rural local bodies. सर जब मैं ये बात कह रहा हूं तो इस बात को भी हमको मद्देनजर रखना चाहिए सर कि बहुत सारा माइग्रेशन भी होता है। अगर हम देखते हैं तो हमारी रियासत में ही बहुत सारे लोग अजला से, गांव से रोजी रोटी की तलाश में शहर का भी रुख करते हैं और हमारी कोशिश यही होनी चाहिए कि हर एलिजिबल वोटर को अपना हक मिले। और इस सिलसिले में मैं ये भी समझता हूं कि आई एम श्योर के इस बिल में जो जिक्र किया गया, तस्करा किया गया, बाद में सारी डेट्स भी इसमें मेंशन होगी एक अलग नोटिफिकेशन के जरिए कि कब तक के नामों का इंदराज किया जा सकता है। और ये भी जरूर मैं कहूंगा कि फॉर द लोकल बॉडी द स्टेट इलेक्शन कमीशन डज नॉट प्रिपेयर द फ्रेश इलेक्टोरल रोल्स ऑन इट्स ओन। अब इस बिल के जरिए इस प्रोविजन को लाया जा रहा है। तो व्हाट आई फील इज सर देयरफॉर इट इज नेसेसरी फॉर द तेलंगाना गवर्नमेंट टू इंश्योर that the electoral rolls are comprehensive and do not exclude a single eligible voter, sir. Sir, at the same time, sir, मैं इस बिल के जरिए इस बात को भी जरूर आपके जरिए हुकूमत की तवज्जो करवाना चाहता हूं। And it's a very important issue, sir. Again, this is also pertaining to the electoral rolls, sir. So now the Election Commission of India also proposes to take up SIR exercise in the third phase covering Telangana and other states. Sir, when I say SIR, sir, the reason why I am saying this, that earlier also intensive revision used to happen, but never a special intensive revision has happened. But now, in the name of special intensive revision, sir, of electoral rolls conducted by Election Commission of India, sir, this exercise has drawn significant criticism from opposition parties, activists, and a segment of secular and Muslim community who allege that it is a rushed, opaque process that risks the disenfranchisement of legitimate voters, sir, particularly Muslims, and has caused widespread fears and distress, sir. Sir, there are many concerns about SIR process. Sir, voter deletion, preliminary analysis of the draft rolls in Bihar, sir. I would say, sir, in Bihar, many names were deleted also, sir. Sir, if we have to say, in Uttar Pradesh, sir, the draft list, the Election Commission is scheduled to publish the draft SIR electoral rolls for Uttar Pradesh on January 6, 2026, sir. Sir, if we have to see, sir, the same is happening in Kerala also, sir. 1.3 lakh voters in Kerala have commenced to address exclusion and documentation issues, sir. Honorable Speaker, sir, in West Bengal also, recent reports indicate over 5.8 million names have been deleted from draft rolls in West Bengal as part of this verification drive, sir. Sir, the special intensive revision is a large-scale nationwide verification exercise aimed at cleaning of voters. It is said that it is cleaning of voters' rolls by removing ineligible entries and ensuring no eligible citizen is left out. This is what is said. But you know, sir, what is happening is that they are removing the real eligible voters. It is a very important issue, sir. So for this, sir, I on behalf of MIM party, sir, I would like to mention this, sir, there are key concerns regarding SIR, sir, process, like voter deletion. Preliminary analysis of draft rolls in Bihar indicated a higher tendency of voters deletion in districts with larger Muslim population across various states. So millions of names were removed from the electoral list, sir. Fear and uncertainty is also there. The lack of transparency and perception that the process could be prosecutor to a citizen screening exercise, like, you know, potential national registrar of citizen or NRC, has created significant panic and distress among Indian Muslims, with some report linking the stress to death and suicide also, sir. Like many BLOs have, you know, sir, most important thing is that how can a BLO identify and say that, okay, this is a citizen of this country and this is not the citizen of this country? BLO doesn't have the authority. But sir, there are also some procedural issues, sir. So critics have pointed out that procedural flaws, such as officials not visiting homes, issue with incorrect information in the draft rolls, and lack of proper acknowledgement slips or submitted forms are there. And also there are political allegations also. Opposition parties have termed the SIR as you know, a mere political and an exercise where they want to snatch away the voting rights of the biggest minority of this country, I mean Muslims, sir. Sir, it's rather than a neutral administrative one, suggesting it as a tactic to target specific communities for political gains. कि आज जिंदगी के हर शोबे में पसमानदा रहने वाले मुसलमान जो इस मुल्क के शहरी है और इस मुल्क के वफादार हैं, लेकिन आज उनको अपने हक राय दही से महरूम किया जा रहा है। तो ये एक मंसूबाबंद अंदाज में, और very rightly it has been said by the leader of Congress, Mr. Rahul Gandhi also, where he had shown and projected with the PowerPoint presentation कि किस तरीके से वोट की चोरी हो रही है। कि वोट की चोरी का मतलब यही है कि आप जो जेन्युइन वोटर्स हैं उनके वोट को देने के हक को से महरूम कर दे रहे हैं, छीन ले रहे हैं। So this is what. But when I say this, sir, I also say that yes, we have our own concern. We are also the citizen of this country. मुसलमान भी इस मुल्क को के वफादार है, इस मुल्क को चाहते हैं। सिर्फ किसी एक मखसूस सियासी जमात का ठेका नहीं है कि वही इस मुल्क के वफादार है। इस मुल्क के वफादार हिंदू भी है, मुसलमान भी है, सिख भी है, ईसाई भी है, पारसी भी है, और इस मुल्क में जो अल्लाह, भगवान या फिर गॉड को नहीं मानते वो भी इस मुल्क के हिस्सा है। डाइवर्सिटी है इस मुल्क में, कल्चर्स है, जबान है, हर कोई है, लेकिन सिर्फ एक आदमी ठेकेदार बनकर इस मुल्क की ठेकेदारी और इस मुल्क की वफादारी का सर्टिफिकेट देने का हक व इख्तियार नहीं रखता। तो मैं सर आपके जरिए, इस बिल के जरिए ये अपॉर्चुनिटी को लेते हुए ये कहना चाह रहा हूं सर कि सेकेंड फेज में SIR हो रहा है, अब फाइनल थर्ड फेज में SIR तेलंगाना में भी होगा। तो मैं इसके साथ साथ ये भी कहूंगा सर कि सुप्रीम कोर्ट ऑफ इंडिया हैज हर्ड द पिटिशन challenging the SIR process, issuing direction to ease the workload of booth level officers, while also noting that Aadhaar cannot be accepted as conclusive proof of citizen during verification. Sir, the debate surrounding the SIR is ongoing and highly sensitive, reflecting broader discussion in India about citizenship law, minority rights, and the political landscape, sir. And it is so sad, sir, in many states, sir, ये SIR में there are Aadhaar card, passport, birth certificates and all. I mean, an individual who is 40 years old is supposed to have a birth certificates. In many states, sir, the state governments have issued an order of not issuing the birth certificates. If the birth certificates are not issued, How will they establish? सर आज से कई जमाना पहले गांव में बर्थ होते थे और वहां पे कोई बर्थ सर्टिफिकेट्स नहीं रहते थे. There are many other issues, sir. And the Congress and the leader of Congress, Rahul Gandhi Saab, and all the opposition leaders and leaders from all opposition parties have raised their concern regarding this SIR, sir. This SIR is nothing but an indirect way of CAA and NRC. And so, sir, I taking this opportunity, sir, when a special intensive revision exercise is taken up, the government is also to call all the political parties have to ensure that the names of all eligible voters are included and there is no wholesale deletion of names of eligible voters as it has happened in Bihar or it is happening in state where SIR phase 2 exercise is taken up. Through you, sir, I would request the government to convey an all-party meeting on SIR issue, sir. Since the election, Chief Electoral Office of Telangana has initiated the steps for implementation of SIR in the state, sir. Sir, it is not that we are against this intensive revision happening, sir, but it should happen. I do not understand why my learned friends have to agitate in this, sir. When I say that no, जो भी इस मुल्क का शहरी है और एलिजिबल है वोट करने के लिए, उसके वोट के हक को छीना नहीं जाना चाहिए. यही हमारा मुतालिबा है. हम ये नहीं कह रहे हैं कि एक पाकिस्तानी को, एक बांग्लादेशी को आप लाकर उसको वोट देने का हक दे दें. सर, ये दिस इज ऑल रॉन्ग. व्हेन बिहार में, सर, दिस SIR had happened, not a single Muslim name or in Bihar was found to be from Bangladesh or from Pakistan or elsewhere, sir. ये सिर्फ एक पॉलिटिकल प्रोपेगेंडा है, नफरत फैलाने का. हिंदू मुसलमान, हिंदू मुसलमान, हिंदू मुसलमान. कोई भी एक ठेकेदार नहीं है इस मुल्क का कि वो कह दे कि हम इस मुल्क के हैं, दूसरे इस मुल्क के नहीं है. ये मुल्क सबका है. ये मुल्क हिंदू का है, ये मुल्क मुसलमान का है, ये मुल्क ईसाई का है, ये मुल्क पारसी का है, ये मुल्क गॉड, अल्लाह, भगवान को नहीं मानने वाले का भी है. ये मुल्क हर किसी का है. कोई एक ठेकेदार नहीं है इस मुल्क का. ये मुल्क किसी की बाप की जागीर नहीं है कि वो अपनी जागीर को चलाते रहे, जैसा चाहे बोलते रहे. मुसलमान भी इस मुल्क का हिस्सा थे, है और रहेंगे. हम इस मुल्क में वफादारी के साथ खड़े थे, है और रहेंगे. तो मैं आपके जरिए हुकूमत से फिर से मुतालबा करूंगा कि SIR आने वाला है. SIR के लिए जो भी जरूरी इंतजामात करना है करिए और मेक श्योर करिए कि कोई भी एलिजिबल वोटर का वोटिंग राइट उससे न छीना जाए. सर, थैंक यू वेरी मच फॉर गिविंग मी दिस अपॉर्चुनिटी. सर,
అధ్యక్ష, ఈరోజు చర్చ ఏంది, దేని విషయం చేస్తా ఉన్నారో అర్థం కాలేదు. ఇంతసేపు మీరు అవకాశం ఇచ్చి మీరు ఎక్కడనో బంగ్లాదేశ్ అంశంలో, లేకుంటే బీహార్ అంశంలోనో, ఉత్తరప్రదేశ్ అంశంలోనో మాట్లాడేటువంటి అవకాశాలు మరి MIM సభ్యులకు ఇచ్చారు. దేనికోసం మరి అంతసేపు మాట్లాడుతూ ఉంటే మీరు అబ్జెక్షన్ చెప్పకుండా, వాళ్ళని కరెక్ట్ చేయకుండా మీరు ఈ రకంగా అవకాశం ఇచ్చారో అర్థం కావడం లేదు. ఈరోజు SIR విషయంలో నేను మాట్లాడుతున్నాను కదా, నేను అదే మాట్లాడుతూ ఉన్నాను. నేను మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు వారు మాట్లాడేటప్పుడు నా అబ్జెక్షన్ చెప్పలేదు కదా. ఎందుకోసం అని వారు ఇట్లా ఇదవుతున్నారు. నేను ఎందుకోసం అని లేచి మాట్లాడుతూ ఉన్నాడు. సార్, దేనికోసము? ఇప్పుడు నేను మాట్లాడే అవకాశం నాకు ఇవ్వండి కదా. ఎవరు अरे आप भी ऐसा डिक्टेट नहीं करना, आप भी ऐसा बात नहीं करना. ये गलत बात कर रहे हैं आप. ऐसा बात नहीं करना. ऐसा कैसे बात करते आप? ऐसा कैसे बात करते आप? अरे किसका जागीर है? किसका जागीर है? आप कैसा कैसे बात करते? किसका जागीर है?